I am Nitin Shami from Narshidyanand Vidyapit, and they are my teammates Mr. Mohit Yadav and Mr. Nitin Shami from class 12 as well. So first of all, we are here to represent a model optical world, which is largely based on the phenomena of optics. So the basic phenomena we are going to discuss about reflection and second reflection and then invisibility of light and the basic phenomena of compound microscope and astronomical telescope. First of all, reflection. The reflection is a phenomenon by which light incident on a point surface and the maximum part of it get reflected. And the demonstration of this by our project is there. As you can see, the ray is refracting by the surface. You can see the light when incident on a polar surface of convex mirror is reflected outwards, and when the light is reflected toward a concave mirror, then the light is converged. So this is demonstrated by our project. Now second one is refraction. So let's have a view of refraction. When the light incident on a convex lens, then the maximum part of it get bent. As you can see, when a light travel and passes through different medium, it got bent. So this is the phenomenon of bending of light when it travels from one medium to another medium. It is also demonstrated by our project. So the third one is invisibility of light. As you can see, the light which has the question mark is got invisible. So this is demonstrated by our project very clearly. So let's have a view how the light is invisible. At behind the first lens, the ray is visible to us. Now let us check for second. Now it is also visible at the second lens. Now let's have a view at the third lens. Now the ray is seen to us to be invisible. Now let us check the invisibility of light is true or false. So first you are seeing the ray very clearly. Now let us check on rays behind the first lens. You are seeing the ray very clearly. Now let us have a view about behind the second lens. Now the ray is also visible to us. Now let us check behind the third lens. Now you are seeing the ray is getting invisible to us. Now this is the invisibility of light. But when the ray got at the principal axis, it is visible to us. But at the corners, it is invisible. Now this area where the ray is invisible is known as invisibility cloak. We see the reason where the invisibility cloak happen is the area is this. We see the area of the invisibility cloak is there where the light do not reach. So we demonstrate the area of invisibility cloak. Now you are clearly seeing the area where is the light is getting invisible. The last phenomena is telescope or a compound microscope. So let's have a view of compound microscope and astronomical telescope. This is an astronomical telescope. The working of astronomical telescope is there, and we are getting to describe the working of telescope by our model. So let's have a view. This is our project of a telescope, and the name is Optical World detector. The working of this telescope, as you can see here clearly, and let's have a view of compound microscope. We have made it. As you can see, the working of an compound microscope there clearly, and when we focus it, it is clear to us. Now have an astronomical view. Now if we focus it, then you can see clearly it is magnifying very clearly. We have made an inverted image. We have made an inverted world, but when we see it through our optical world detector, it became visible to us very clearly in a straight way. Now you can see the animal, it is standing straight, it is visible to us, and the solar view is visible to us. So it is very clear to us, and when we remove the optical world detector, we see actually the animals are not straight. The main aim of our project is to demonstrate optical instrument and optics to kids and class 12 students in a very play way, and we are demonstrating it through our model, which is not only a model, it is also an instrument which can also be used in physics labs and as a play kits, which can also be used by our students of class nursery to class 12 in a very simple way. And thank you, have a nice day. Thank you.